2. Create brand guidelines. Once businesses have defined their brand identity, they must create brand guidelines that outline the specific visual and messaging elements that define their brand. Brand guidelines should include elements such as the logo, color palette, font, photography style, and tone of voice. These elements should be used consistently across all marketing channels to create a seamless and unified brand experience. 3. Train your team. Consistency in branding requires everyone on a team to be on the same page. It's essential to train all employees, from marketing to customer service, on the brand guidelines and how to implement them correctly. This training ensures that everyone understands the importance of consistency in branding and can execute it effectively. 4. Monitor and adjust. Maintaining consistency in branding requires ongoing monitoring and adjustments. Businesses should regularly review their marketing materials, website, and social media channels to ensure that they adhere to the brand guidelines. Adjustments may need to be made to branding elements if they are not resonating with customers or no longer align with the brand's values and vision. Examples of consistent branding. Let's take a look at some examples of brands that have achieved consistency in branding. 1. Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola is one of the most recognizable brands globally, and its success can be attributed to consistent branding. Its iconic red and white logo, font, and packaging have been consistent since its inception in 1886. Coca-Cola's messaging has also remained consistent, focusing on creating a sense of happiness and togetherness that resonates with consumers worldwide. 2. Apple. Apple is known for its sleek and minimalist design, and this consistency permeates all of its branding efforts. From its iconic logo to its advertising campaigns, Apple uses a consistent design language that communicates simplicity, innovation, and sophistication. This consistency has helped Apple create a loyal customer base that has lasted for decades. 3. Nike. Nike's Just Do It tagline has become a ubiquitous part of popular culture due to its consistent use across all its branding efforts. Nike's messaging consistently focuses on empowering customers to achieve their goals while promoting an active and healthy lifestyle. This consistency in branding has helped Nike become one of the most recognizable brands globally and a leader in the athletic apparel industry. Consistent branding is also essential for online businesses and e-commerce stores. This consistency helps customers build a mental image of the brand that they can recognize and trust. In addition to visual consistency, e-commerce stores must also ensure consistency in the user experience from browsing to checkout. This involves using the same design elements, navigation structure, and checkout process across all products and pages. Customers should be able to move seamlessly from browsing to checkout without encountering any confusing or inconsistent elements. Consistent branding is also critical for businesses that operate in multiple locations or have multiple brands. In these cases, it's essential to ensure that every brand or location follows the same branding guidelines to maintain a consistent image and identity. This consistency helps customers recognize the different brands or locations as part of the same company and builds a sense of trust. And reliability.